So One UI 7 beta update will be here soon, after waiting for so much time. First it was rumored that One UI 7 beta program will start at some point around in December, but according to many leaks and rumors, One UI 7 beta program is going to start from next week. This beta program will be first limited to Korea and the US. Right now massive internal testing is going on at Samsung, and many Samsung Galaxy models are popping up at Geekbench running Android 15. If you want to join One UI 7 beta program, then check out the video mentioned here to get your device ready for this update. So what are some of the expected features with this next One UI update? First, we are getting a brand new UI design. That means new icons, new control panel, and much more. But the thing I'm most excited about are the new AI features. Some rumors are saying that these new AI features will be first introduced on Galaxy S25 with One UI 7.1. So 7.1 update seems to be focusing on AI features. Some of those AI features are Galaxy AI notifications, AI briefing that helps you to see some information that you might be interested in, such as news, messages, mail, weather, and more. Also, Samsung is working on AI Game Assist that will maximize the performance of your phone, and it will help a lot to get those amazing FPS for certain games. Other AI features will be also there, such as live notifications and AI camera features. According to Ice Universe, this One UI 7 beta update will be the buggiest update ever. It's a beta update and it will be like that because Samsung is testing a brand new UI design. Samsung Galaxy A55 was spotted on Geekbench with this Android 15 update and it's code 1161 in single core with 3369 in multi-core. These are the initial test numbers and performance will be definitely a lot better when we have the final stable One UI 7 update. Samsung is taking a lot of time this year with their latest updates, and I really hope these new updates are not disappointing. We are still waiting for stable One UI 6 update for Galaxy Watch 6, 5, and 4, but so far there are no signs of stable update for this smartwatch. Tomorrow is Monday, and a lot of people are saying that One UI 7 beta program will start from tomorrow. So let's see what Samsung really does with this beta update. I'll be checking out this beta program, so make sure you are subscribed as I'll be posting all those new AI features and what Samsung is going to do with this update. So that was all about for today's episode. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.